Recently, NFT has gotten the attention of people across the globe.
Now to the latest trend that's sweeping the internet.
So-called NFT.
They're now selling for huge bucks.
69 million.
The Ethereum-based blockchain technology has got huge acceptance of people and of course became so famous suddenly with a huge amount being pumped into it.
For huge bucks.
69 million.
In this video, I'm going to explain what NFT is all about and how you can get started with the Non-Fungible Token. Hi guys, I'm Slick, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for coming. Please hit the subscribe button. Like this video so that a lot of people can benefit from it as well. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for screaming my videos. I appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button as well and drop a comment. I'm looking forward to that. So without much ado, let's get into the video. NFT recently has been one of the most famous blockchain technology across the world, ranging from people in both cryptocurrency world and other field. The non-fungible token has been highly valued with a lot of people across the world, and this is really amazing to see in the blockchain technology field.
Single JPEG sold for $69 million.
Oh my god.
The NBA is selling little moments of basketball games for hundreds of thousands.
Hey guys, think about bazaars turned by Catholics, where they can value a certain item of say maybe $1,000. Of course, we already know that the item might not up to $1,000, say a pen or a sacred pen by a priest and decide to put up for a sale. But it's been put up by organizers or the creators for that certain price and it's valued for that price. So any individuals can take, oh man, I'm not paying $1,000 for this, I'm going to pay $2,000 for this. So now in another angle, let's think about NFT from this angle, where in an art exhibition, where a certain art, which has no duplicate, is being pulled up for a certain price. The artist made just one piece of incredible art, which has no duplicate of course, and it's been valued for a certain price. And trust me, another person can say, oh man, I'm going to pay $100K for this price, but somebody else say, oh yes, for this single piece of art, it's incredible and I feel I can value it for up to $200K. And that's it. Such artwork can be valued based on maybe the artwork is made by a famous artist or an old artist which actually created this piece of single art and they now decide to put it off an auction for a sale, and there's a form of transfer of ownership from one person to another, like the moment the person acquired a piece of art and it's been transferred to another person. Trust me, that piece of art, it's only one, it has no duplicate, means it's just unique and it's only created for that purpose, and that is non-forgivable. Now think about a scenario that recently happened whereby Cristiano Ronaldo angrily dropped his armband in a football pitch where he was denied a goal that eventually crossed the line. This armband was actually picked up by somebody who put it up to raise funds for a Serbian child who is looking for about $2.5 million for the healthcare. So now look at it from that angle. Just a simple armband dropped and it was being valued to raise about $2.5 million. That's amazing. That's another angle. So sometimes the value of this item can actually be powerful just by it's created by an influencer, or the piece of the art is great. Not necessarily be a piece of art. It can be probably a media, a JPEG and all that. Now let's get to NFT. Now think about all these examples in a digital form, and that's where NFT comes in, where a digital certificate of authenticity for digital items like GIS, video, JPEGs, MP3.
The same purpose, but for digital items. They allow GIFs, videos, JPEGs, MP3s, and just about any other file format to be certified as one of a kind.
And any other digital file format which has just one of its kind, that means it has no duplicate. And this is where it's called non-fungible token. It's unique, just one single item. Other examples can be like a shirt. Say this is my jacket. I've been having it for a while and it's been valued for some certain price, and I decided to say, oh, this is my jacket, I've been holding it for a long time, I put value on it and decided to transfer it to a digital form, and the jacket turns to a digital forms like making a GIF or a picture like JPEGs, and I decided to put it up. I convert it to NFT and I put it up and they say, oh man, this jacket is been long and this is the digital form of your jacket, I'm buying it for $100,000. Trust me. So My jacket might be the next biggest NFT, trust me. So I just give you a billionaire tips. Moving on, NFT literally is a non-fungible token. NFT is a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a digital ledger, a type of digital asset designed to represent the ownership of a unique digital item, such as a piece of a art, RESPOT, JPEGs, videos, GIFs, or MP3s. Thereby, the ownership of this item is being tracked on the blockchain, the technology behind the popular cryptocurrencies, which you all know. NFT actually operates on Ethereum blockchain technology, if you know how well. So that's why when you need to acquire or to create an NFT, that's why you need to buy an Ethereum on the platform whereby you need to get started with NFT. This NFT is being created on a Ethereum blockchain technology. And since the involvement of NFT, it has been popularly known by hundreds and thousands of people around the globe, welcomed by a lot of people, paying attention to content creators. Some people see this as a platform or as a digital platform that actually helps creators to make money just by their artwork or GIFs, pictures, or videos, or whatever it is they're making. Now you want to ask, can you make money from NFT? So the simple truth is, yes, you can. Now imagine Ethereum-based Nyan meme. That's a GIF cat, one of a kind crypto hat, which was sold for nearly $600,000. I couldn't imagine that. The meme sold for nearly $600,000.
Are you serious?
Don JAZZY makes $300,000 in creating of NFT MP3, just a sound of about 20 seconds.
20 seconds beats.
In just 10 minutes.
That's what it will drop. Oh. Under that 10 minutes, that is, they have made about $300,000.
Awesome.
I said, hold on, what's going on? Hold on. I was like,
Unimaginable. Now talk about the first tweet that ever tweeted on Twitter by the founder JAZZY,
Tweet ever tweeted in the history of Twitter. The tweet was by Jack Dorsey.
which was sold for about
$3 million.
$35.47.
a single tweet. Sold for $2 million. Now think about a single JPEG, it was sold for about $69 million.
Single JPEG sold for $69 million.
Oh my god.
So is NFT a good investment? Well, yes. For me, it's a good investment, but the world is evolving, but I have to put a disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. Note that this is just a suggestion. This is just an education, trying to pass an information across to you to have knowledge of how NFT is. So you trade or you do NFT at your own risk. Please note that. Yes, it's a great investment in my own perspective because it offers digital artists and content creators a unique opportunity to monetize their digital creations and digital products. NFT art can also be considered as a short and long-time investment. Now, how do I buy NFT? You can buy, sell NFT in different platforms called marketplace, but one of the most popular places to actually do this is OpenSea. Is another amazing NFT marketplace where you can discover, collect, and sell NFTs. You can also consider using OpenSea.io or using Variable and other marketplace. So now think about NFT in this. I'm an artist. I created an artwork, and somebody saw my artwork, downloaded it and converted it to NFT and made a lot of huge money. Does that mean the person that downloaded my artwork owns it? What do you have to say to that? What's your thought about it? The first tweet made by JAZZY, which from the Twitter, has been sold for huge amount. Does it mean that the tweet has been deleted from Twitter's database and Twitter don't completely have this? Yes, the tweet has been converted to NFT and has been sold to another person. Yes, so I'll leave you to do that and decide if really, in the real sense, how do you see that in your own perception? I would like to leave you with that thought, and I would like to see your comments in the comment section. Tell me your intake about this and what you think about the whole NFT thing, the whole hype, the whole aggressions, and the whole popularity about people doing NFTs. Yes, so guys, so thank you for another amazing sections, and I'm really excited to do the seconds for you. So please use the subscribe button and click the like button on this video, and also drop your comment please keep watching, keep streaming. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe and comment on this video. And I will see you in my next video.
Wow. That day I posted on Instagram, I was like, nobody should call me producer again. From now, I'm now
NFT master.
NFT master, crypto Mbappe.
NFTs. They're all over the news right now, but you don't have to be a famous artist or the founder of
$1 million.
So what's behind this latest craze?
That is the question to ask.
$35.47. A single JPEG sold for $69 million.
Oh my god.
The NBA is selling little moments of basketball games for hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is all sorts of digital things.
Well, just waiting to... So-called NFT.
Why would you pay for an NFT when you can look at it for free?
Is this a gigantic bubble just waiting to burst? I believe in this space with my whole heart.
The story is much bigger than a $600,000 cat gif.
You serious?